Hello students, I am Sumant Kumar Singh and today I am gonna teach you English of class 4. So today our topic is from English language chapter number 8 forms of verb. But before starting the chapter I would like to tell you that if you have not subscribed our channel yet, so please subscribe it first and then press the bell icon for prior notification. Okay, so students, let's start. Forms of verb. Before starting this topic, students, I would like to tell you what are verbs. Students, verbs are action words or any word which shows action, that is called verb. Now see students, this is the page of your book. Here written verbs can have four forms. The first one, the base form. Students, base form is actually the original form of verb. Okay, it is used in present tense. Okay, like walk, laugh, help, play. These are the original form of verb. The second is S or ES form. This form is obtained by adding S or ES in the base form of verb. Okay, students? And this form is used in the simple present tense. Okay? Simple present tense in affirmative sentences. Okay, students? With the singular subject. Okay, if our subject is he, she, it or any single name, then we use S or ES form of verb. Okay, students? Now the third one is ing form. Ing form of verb is obtained by adding ing to the base form of verb. Okay, students? And this form is used in the continuous tense. Okay, students? About the tenses, I will teach you briefly in the chapter tenses. Okay? Now, the next is the past form of verb. Past form of verb, as you know students, its name is past tense form. So, this form is used in the past tense. Okay, it is also called the second form of verb. Okay, it is obtained in some cases adding ed in the base form, and in some cases the past tense form is differ from base form. I am giving you some example students, like walk becomes walked. See students, only ed we have added here. Okay, laugh will become laughed. Okay, but when we talk about some other verb like come, C-O-M-E, come, and when we will convert this word into the past tense form, it will become came. Ed will not add here. Okay, so here the whole word is changing. Come becomes came. Okay, like run, run, run becomes ran. Okay, now have you understood students? Okay, let's move forward and see some other examples of forms of verb, base forms and their other forms. Okay, see, here is a table in which some important verbs are given which will be used in your coming chapters. Okay, the first column is of base form, second is ing form, third s or es form, and third one past tense form. See students, one thing is important, other than these four forms, one more form of verb is there, that is called past participle form. Okay, or we also called it third form of the verb. Okay, this form is used in the perfect tense. Okay, but this is not in your chapter. Okay, so we will learn it further. Okay, see students, first verb is given beat. Okay, So here beat, when we add ing, it becomes beating. Okay, in which when we want to find the s or es form, it becomes beats, and in past tense it remains same as beat. Okay, see some other word, students. See, like here it is written catch, we add ing, it becomes catching. Okay, and when it comes to s or es form, it becomes catches. But see, students, in case of past tense, it becomes caught, catch becomes caught. Okay, upside of this bring, and when it comes to past tense form, it becomes brought, sorry. Okay, as same, fly becomes flew, fly becomes flew. Okay, so students, have you understood? Like this, the form of verb are changed. Okay, in some cases only ed is added, and in some cases the whole word get changed. Okay, see, some other forms of verb are also given. These all kinds of verbs are given in your textbook. Okay, you can see, it is the page number 35 of your book. Okay, here some forms. Give, give becomes giving in the ing form, and gives in the s or es form, and when it comes to past tense form, it becomes gave. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood, and if you are facing any confusion or doubt, so let me know in the comment section. I will resolve your doubt. Okay, now students, let's move to the exercises of this chapter. Now, first exercise is given, students. Read the sentences and circle the verbs. Okay, in place of circle in your textbook, it is written underline. Okay, in place of circle in your textbook, it is written the underline. Okay, so here I have mentioned that, sorry, here I have mentioned circle to make it clear for you that which word I am gonna highlight. Okay, so you have to identify the form of verb. Okay, and you have to write B for base form, S slash ES for S or ES form, ING for ING form, and PT for past tense form. Okay, students, let's see the first sentence of this first exercise. The lady was singing a lovely song. Okay, so which is the form of verb? Sing. Sing verb is used in this sentence, and which form, students? Singing. Yes, means ing is added in the base form of the verb, so we call it ing form. So in front of the sentence we will write ing. Okay, and this is the verb, student. In the second sentence, see, students, you should help a friend in need. Okay, yeah, of course we all should help our friends in need. Okay, and so tell me, students, what is the verb in this sentence? Help. Okay, very good, students. Help. And tell me, students, which form of verb help is? It is base form. Okay, here neither s or es is added nor ing. Okay, and also it is not past tense form. Okay, because past tense form of help is helped. Okay, ed will be here if it will be a past tense form. Okay, so it is base form of students. So we will write here B. Understood? The third sentence, C. He painted the fence red. It is the sentence of past indefinite tense. Okay, and in past tense always past tense form of verb is used. Okay, students. So the past tense form of paint is used here. That is why it is written painted. So we will write for this pt as past tense form. Okay. Fourth, D. Father eats his lunch at 1 p.m. Okay. It is simple present. See, students, in the first form of verb, S is added. Eat is used here in the SES form. Okay. So, S or ES form of verb is used. Okay. So, we will write here S. Okay. And the last sentence of this exercise, students, the lady was crying for her mother. Okay. See, students, there will be no problem to identify the verb for this sentence, because here you clearly see that ing is used in this word crying. Okay. Ing form of cry is used in this sentence. It is the sentence of past continuous tense. Okay. So here ing, we will write ing. Okay, means ing form of verb is used in this sentence and the verb is crying. Okay, students, understood? Good. Now let's move on our second exercise of this chapter. Okay, see, students, in this exercise number 2, some different forms of verbs are given. Okay, in this box. Okay, there are these different kinds of verbs are given, and below is given a table where you have to sort out these all forms of verb into base form, S or ES form, ing form and past tense form. Okay. So see, students, we will take the first word run, run. Okay. So run is the base form of verb. So we will write the run below the base form. Okay. The second one is rang. Rang. Rang is the past tense form of ring. Okay. In the earlier slide where I gave you the list of different type of forms of verb, there these all are mentioned. Okay. So if you face any confusion, you can also check out from that table. Okay. Rang is the past tense form of ring. So we will write here, you can see rang. Okay. In the column of past tense form. Okay. Same as loving. Loving we will write, you can clearly guess that it is ing form. Okay. So we will write loving below the ing form. Okay. Next is teach. Teach is the base form. Okay. Teaches, the SES form of teach. Okay. Burn. Burn is the base form. So we will write below the base form. Okay. After that, running, ing form of run. So I have written here running. Okay. Love, the base form. Ring. Ring is the base form. Okay. Earlier we have mentioned here the rang, and now base form of rang, ring. Okay. Now I'll make it clear and again I'll start. Next is runs. Runs is the SES form of run. Okay. Loved, the past tense form. You see here, D is added in the love. So it is past tense form of love. Okay. And burning. Burning, ing form of burn. Next, burns. Burns, this one, students. Burns is the SES form of burn. Okay. Teaching. Teaching, ing form of teach. Okay. Next is taught. Taught. In the previous slide, I told you this example, students. Like the past tense form of teach is taught. Okay. Next is ringing. Ringing, ing form of ring. Okay. When we add ing in the ring, it becomes ringing. Okay. Like the bell of your cell phone is ringing, or your cell phone is ringing. Okay. Now next is burned. You see, students, burned. The past tense form of burn is burned. Okay. With adding ed, burn becomes burned. Okay. Next is loves. Okay. So loves is the SES form of love. Okay, students. The last line now. Give. Give is the base form. Okay. Like give me your pen, give me your notebook. Okay. Next is gives. It is the SES form of give. The next is giving. It is ing form of give. Okay. And the last one is, students, gave. Okay. Last one is gave. Okay. Here the past tense form of give. So it is filled in the last column. Okay, you see, students. Now the next is ran. Students, this word I have edited. Ran, R-A-N. Actually, there is some spelling mistake. It is written in your book R-A-I-N. Okay. This word. Okay. Make it correct. The past tense form of run is ran. Okay. Here I have mentioned. So do not be confused. Okay. This I have corrected in this video. And the last one is rings. Rings is the SES form of ring. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood and you all have enjoyed this video. Okay, if you have left with any sort of confusion about the form of verbs, so let me know in the comment section. Okay, till then, take care of yourself, be safe, stay at home. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel first, like and share the video. Thank you, everyone.